Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about array. Yesterday, one of our YouTube friends asked me to create a video on array. You know that array is a set of data with the same data type with parental variable name. Okay, for that I will create a data block with a with the array db. Okay, in that data type, suppose you want to create a 100 of variable with same data type. Suppose test1, test2, test3, test4, like this. And see, you want to create all data type as a boolean, but you have to write that all data type one by one, and that need time, lot of time. So you can create just by using array very quickly. Here you have create 4 tag as a boolean data type. So here I will create a parental tag name as a test, and here I will use array. Just write as array, or you can select from here. Okay, and here array by default it's take at least 2 variable. Without 2 variable you cannot create a array, because by one variable it's like this. So you have to take at least 2 variable. So by default it's take 2 variable, 0 and 1. Here it's get 2. Okay, you can just write here as a boolean, byte, which tag you want you can write here. See, now it's created as a byte, but here you have created as a boolean. So here write as a boolean. It is a boolean variable array structure. Okay, and here you have create 4, but here it's 2. So for creating 4 variable you have to write as 3. So from 0 to 3 it is 4 variable. Okay, but when you want to create 100 of variables, and you have to write as 99. See, it is a 99 nonce of variable. See, and it is so fast. You don't need time to create 100 of variables, and it's create as test 0 with square bracket 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, so how you can use this? I will save it. Okay, I will create another function, name it as array. Okay, here suppose here and get array db. So you can use that outside of array variable, this one also you can use this one. So we'll use this array variable like this one and test 0. Okay, so it is test 0 first variable, array test and 1. So it will like this. And if you want to this one and array db test, so like this. So by this way you can create and use your array variable and use this. Now I will show a real PLC how we have create and use. Okay, I have used that array in WP241 scale data. See, it is here. See, sorry, this is a array. I will go offline. MB data pointer. This is a array of double word with 11 of double word same data type, 11 variable, and that variable name is parent variable with square bracket. Okay, and this variable I have used, array variable I have used here. So I have called a MB client and just drag and drop that WP241 scale data, that is this one, and with .mb data pointer. Here you can go MB data pointer, that is the array. Okay, here. Okay, and the MB data address was this extended register, holding register, and here I have used 20 data length, 20 long of word. But here you can see that it is a 0 to 11, 10 means it is a 11 number of double word, means 22 double word. So it will only use from 0 to 9, because here only use 20 data length. Okay, if you go online, here you can see the data is updating here, and that data is converted to real, double word to real here. So this is not our motto to how we have used convert. Our motto is how we can use that same type of data as a array without wasting our time to create a same data type. Okay, thank you.